Morning students, I hope you all are fine and good and stay healthy. So today I am discussing the same chapter number 6, magnetism. Now today I am discussing the topic properties of magnet 6.4 from the page number 76. So there are mainly four properties. What is that? A magnet possesses the following properties. First, a magnet attracts iron and other magnetic substances. Other magnetic substances like nickel, cobalt, steel. Second, a freely suspended magnet always rests in the north-south direction. Third, every magnet has two poles. One is north pole and other one is south pole. Fourth, like poles of two magnets repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. In this box, as a magnet can attract another magnet or an iron piece, property of repulsion is the only true test for a magnet. So, repulsion and attraction I will discuss in further activities. So, let's see first. A magnet attracts iron and other magnetic material. When we bring a magnet close to iron filings, we observe that they get attracted towards a magnet. If we observe carefully, we will find that the force of attraction is the strongest at the two free ends. Which are the two ends? One is the north and one is the south end of a magnet. So these ends are called poles of a magnet. We will discuss in this activity 2, to observe that a magnet attracts iron and the force of attraction is strongest at its poles. Also, I will discuss in the lab after the lockdown. We have all the material in our lab. So, I will discuss later. So, what we will observe from this activity. So, these are the some iron nails which attracted at the poles of the ends of a magnet. Spread some iron fillings on a sheet of paper and roll a bar magnet over them. You will observe that the iron fillings get attracted towards the magnet. You will also observe that they get clustered. Clustered means इकट्ठी होना, okay, like a group clustered at two ends of the magnet than its center. In the center you will observe there is no iron fillings or iron nails. So you will observe the iron nails are attracted at the poles of a magnet. So this shows that the force of attraction is the strongest at the two free ends of a magnet. So two ends are the two poles of a magnet. Repeat this activity with the different shapes of magnet, like in this is a horseshoe magnet and there is also north and south pole, and you will observe that the iron fillings are force of attraction is a maximum at the poles of a magnet. So, in this activity we observe that a magnet attracts iron and the force of attraction is the strongest at its poles. Now, second property is a freely suspended magnet always rests in the north-south direction. Also, this activity I will show later in the school lab after the lockdown. So, please understand from this book. To understand that a freely suspended bar magnet. So, this is a freely magnet suspended bar magnet always comes to rest in the geographical north-south direction. So, when you freely suspended a bar magnet with a stand, what do you will observe? Always suspended in the north-south direction. So, perform activity 3 given below. This property of magnet has been used by navigators in sea and on land to find the directions. Pole of a magnet pointing towards geographical north, that is the north pole of a magnet. Pole of a magnet pointing towards geographical south, that is south pole of magnet. Now I am discussing activity 3. In this activity, we will observe that a freely suspended magnet always rests in north-south direction. Tie a thread at the middle of a bar magnet. You can see here, tie a bar magnet at the middle and suspend it from a wooden stand. Rotate it slightly and allow it to come to rest. Repeat it a number of times. What we will observe? We will observe that a magnet always comes to rest in a geographical north-south direction. So also I can show you in the school lab. So this is a, what is this? This is a magnetic needle and this is a bar magnet. When you freely suspended a bar magnet, so what we will observe when we move it, slightly rotate it, what we will observe, it always suspended, always rest in north-south direction. So this is the second property of a magnet. Yes, student, in the next video I will discuss property number 3 and property number 4. Thanks a lot up to this chapter. Read and find out the question answers from this topic. Thanks.